So guys, welcome to another video on the channel, and today we are finally putting another mod on my 2016 MX-5. Now, for you guys who are new here, this is my 2016 Sport Edition MX-5, 2-liter, 6-speed manual, KW suspension, wide wheels, and I love this car to death. So today, or this week actually, I got the new package in the mail from Cravenspeed with their latest development for dressing up your engine bay. So that's what we're going to be installing today. So without further ado, let's pop the hood. So when you pop the hood on your 2016 or up MX-5, you see your beautiful engine. Everything is nicely textured and looks pretty good, except for the battery, which is a bit of an eyesore for me. Now Cravenspeed actually makes a nice red brace to replace the OEM one, but I'm unable to install it because my car has these studs on the battery, and Cravenspeed designed theirs for, I think these are the American delivered cars that come with a flat top battery and don't have these studs, so they can put the nice red brace there. But now Cravenspeed has made the next best thing and has made something to cover it up completely and make it look like a bit cleaner in the engine bay. So let's unpackage this new cover and get to installing it. This is the best feeling. Oh yes, it is. So what do we have? So first we have the cover, which is this nice piece. I really love it. Has these like quick disconnects. So it's gonna look pretty cool. So maybe position it. So that's probably a bit what's it gonna look like with it installed. So I think that's gonna be really nice with all the black accents that we have here from the factory. So we have the cover, but then what else do we get? So we get the cover, and then we get like washers and some foam spacers to actually put over the battery terminal so they don't start clickety-clacketing with this new piece. And we get the studs to actually get it on here. So actually what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing like the top nuts here, and then we're going to replace them with the Cravenspeed's provided studs, and that's actually going to be it. Then we're just going to clip on the new panel, and that's going to be the install done. So now the studs are installed, we now need to just make sure that we don't get any tapping noise. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting some rubber adhesive pads underneath the new panel to keep that from wiggling about. Now Cravenspeed of course provides you with a bunch of these. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be peeling one off and putting it over the negative terminal. So for me the highest point of the negative terminal is actually the little bolt to clamp it shut. So now let's put it on. And then what we're just going to do is gently push it so that actually the adhesive side of the pad touches our cover. And then we can just get this up. Release. Now we're going to do the same for the positive terminal, just to get rid of any clicking and clacking it could be doing. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to put it here right on the plastic, because that's going to be the highest point. And again, repeat the process. Clip it in, touch it against. As you can see, there is a bunch of play in the panel, but normally this should be. Once you have this panel installed and you have your rod here, I'm not using it because I have these bumps, but as you can see, the rod is actually touching the panel. So what we're actually wanting to do is we want to tilt the panel as much forward as we can. And to do that, we're just going to use a bunch of these spacers that Cravenspeed provides. So what we're going to be doing is, on the point for a positive terminal, I'm just going to stack a few of these on there. And normally they said 3 would do. And there you have it, guys. So we stacked a bunch of those pads that Cravenspeed provides over here, and now we have no more play in the panel, or maybe a little bit. So if we now look over the engine bay, like you have your engine and everything nicely laid out, and over here it's now all nice and black, and this cover actually like covers up the battery nicely and makes it look a bit more one color and a bit nicer under the hood. So what's my final verdict about this battery cover? For one, it looks awesome. It's really easy to install, and it just bonds together with the rest of the black plastics around this corner of the engine bay. Now also the quick release buttons are really quality, and it just gives it a nice touch, and it makes it easy to remove. No nuts, no bolts needed, you can just clip it off. Now what I do have to say is that the tolerances, so they made the cover as big as they could, and you can see that like in between the spacing between the intake tube and the cover, you have like 1 millimeter, the same with the coolant tank. And what they even say in the instructions is that it's really close to the bonnet support. Now, as I don't use it, because I have these bonnet struts, you see that it's, if there is a light tapping noise, it can be because the cover is rubbing on the bonnet support. Now, this is really easy to just get rid of by just putting some little moves in between there, and everything will be alright. Now in the end, I'm really excited about this mod because now the engine bay is actually really clean looking. Still need to clean a bit under here and get rid of most of the dust. If you guys, some of you might have noticed that, but I still need to clean a bit under here, but it looks really nice, and I'm really looking forward to popping my hood at car shows. Not that I've got much to show, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So if you guys are interested in this cover, you can find it on the Cravenspeed website. Links will be down below, and if you're in the EU and are interested, you can check out the AVP on the road website. Links will also be in the description down below. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this quick little video and this really easy DIY install you can do in your R&D. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.